Immobiliser fit, and this is a 2022 Porsche Macan protected with the Starline Pro. So if a thief got this key, went to steal the vehicle, it's going to start up, but as soon as they put it in gear, you're going to see the vehicle cut out. They're going to be unable to drive it away. As you see, you get all these errors that come up, but the vehicle's not going anywhere. So for the customer, they can start the car, go through a code. For now, we just have a simple 1, 2, 3. Hear a tone, they can drive away, vehicle remains running. But people don't like to do codes, they want it nice and simple. So we just have the Bluetooth on this phone, get in, start the car. It disarms straight away, just simply by using the phone, having it in your pocket, and we can drive away, no need to waste time with a code. The customer can obviously choose their own push sequence between 3 and 21 presses in any order they choose. Totally unique to them, making the system really secure. But just for the video, we have the 3 presses. So I'll just show you one more time. If a thief tried to steal this vehicle, went to steal it, put it in gear, vehicle cuts out, they're unable to drive it away. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit, and this is Starline i96 Pro on a 2022 Porsche Macan. Thanks for watching.